In 2025, the concept of building wealth has evolved, and passive income has become the cornerstone of financial success for many. But how do you actually create a stream of income that works for you, even when you're not actively working? Let's dive into the successful strategies that make building wealth simpler and more achievable than ever before. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or ongoing involvement. Unlike your typical 9-to-5 job, it doesn't require trading hours for dollars. Instead, it relies on assets, investments, or systems that continue generating income over time. Think rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or royalties from intellectual property. Why focus on passive income in 2025? Automation revolution. With advancements in AI and technology, automating income streams has never been easier. Economic shifts. Rising inflation and evolving job markets make passive income a necessity rather than a luxury. Financial freedom. It's not just about earning more, it's about reclaiming your time and achieving life on your terms. Proven strategies for passive income. 1. Real estate investment. Real estate remains a tried and true method for generating wealth. In 2025, platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul have made investing in real estate more accessible than ever. You can start small with REITs, real estate investment trusts, or go big with rental properties. Quick fact: did you know that 90% of millionaires attribute their wealth to real estate? 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a favorite among financial experts. Companies like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola consistently pay dividends, allowing you to earn even during market downturns. Pro tip: reinvest your dividends to benefit from compounding returns. 3. Digital products and courses. If you have expertise in any field, creating and selling digital courses can be a goldmine. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to reach global audiences. Once created, these courses generate income repeatedly. Fun fact: the e-learning industry is projected to be worth over $400 billion by 2027. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms like Lending Club, you can lend money to others and earn interest. It's a low-maintenance way to grow your money. Watch out for: assess borrower risks to avoid defaults. 5. Content creation and royalties. YouTube videos, blog articles, or even stock photography can bring in royalties over time. If you have a passion for storytelling, this can be both fun and profitable. Inspiring fact: many YouTubers make thousands per month from videos they uploaded years ago. 6. Cryptocurrency staking. In 2025, staking cryptocurrency is one of the hottest trends. By locking your digital assets in a blockchain network, you earn rewards over time. Caution: always research the platform's legitimacy and market volatility before staking. 7. Start a dropshipping business. E-commerce is booming, and dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment. With tools like Shopify, you can automate most of the process. Pro insight: focus on high-demand niches and partner with reliable suppliers. Building wealth without burnout. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It requires initial effort, research, and smart planning. But once set up, these strategies allow you to step back and let your investments do the heavy lifting. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. That's the power of passive income. The key is to start small, remain consistent, and adapt to new opportunities as they arise. What passive income stream will you explore in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build wealth together, one strategy at a time.